SolveYourTech.com, your source for how-to guides and tutorials.
Hi, I'm Matt from Solve Your Tech. In this video, we're going to show you how you can stop people from knowing that you've read their text messages on an iPhone 13. If this guide helps you out, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Now let's check out the tutorial. If you want to stop people from knowing that you've read their text messages on your iPhone 13, then you need to turn off read receipts. You can do this by opening the Settings app, scrolling down, and choosing the Messages option, scrolling down, and tapping the button to the right of Send Read Receipts. Now whenever you read a text message, the person that sent it won't get that little red notification that usually appears underneath it.
Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more tech guides like this one. For additional information on this topic and to read the entire article, click the link in the description to visit solveyourtech.com.